Today I'm going to find out the answers or zeros of this function. F of x is a quadratic equation equals to 0. We need to find two roots for this one, or two zeros, with help of quadratic formula. We did this before with help of factoring and other ways, but this time we use this general formula for quadratic equation that is able to apply for everything, any kind of second degree equations. Okay, now what can we do? Start with this. What is A, what is B, what is C? A is leading coefficient 3 positive, B gets -7, C gets 5. Right. Okay, start. X is equal to negative B. B is -7. What is the opposite? It's +7. Plus minus. Radical. -7 squared. 49. Minus 4 times A. A is 3. C. C is 5. Close the radical, everything over 2 times A, right? Okay. 7 plus minus radical. On the radical we have 49 minus 3 times 5 gets 15. 15 times 4 gets 60. Everything over 6. Okay, we continue here. X equals to 7 plus minus radical. Under radical gets -11. You see? Discriminant, this b squared minus 4c is discriminant. Here gets -11. -11 is less than 0. So we don't have any real roots. x1 and x2 are not real roots. Okay, say non-real roots. Okay, we don't have any non-real roots because if we have real number on the radical, if we have negative number on the radical, we can say that this is not possible to get out with real. Okay, what can we do? Mathematician says, okay, they said this is a dilemma, but we're supposed to have another number. What is that? The complex number. Complex number when you say complex number, you can suppose that there is a number like I, such that I squared gets -1. Okay, this is a basic rule for complex number. Okay, what can we do here? We can say x equals to 7 plus and minus. On the radical, we can write -11 as this one. -1 times -11. Radical -1 times radical 11. Everything over 6, right? 7 plus minus. Radical 1 gets out and gets I. Yes? I. Radical 11 over 6. It means that we have two complex root. Complex root 1 gets 7 plus radical 7 plus I radical 11 over 6, x2 gets, I can write x2 here, x sub 2, another root 7 minus I radical 11 over 6. We have two complex number. Any complex number has a real part and an imaginary part with I. We come back with another examples of this one, but this time I think is useful. It happens because under radical here, this is discriminant. Discriminant gets negative number. When this is negative number, we have two unreal and complex number. Hope you like this example. I'll come back with another example.